Hi children, in today's video we'll see the another practical sessions of string handling. In today's video we'll cover up substring functions, equals to uppercase, to lowercase, trim. This is Sandeep Kundu. Now let's begin by opening BlueJ editor. See, this is one class I have created after writing public static void main. Some variables I have taken with the value. String A equals to understanding, string B equals to computer, string C, all are string data type. Prime number, string D. Here I have put space in both the side. String E equals to computer in capital letter. Now here I am writing over here system.out.println substring from 5th position. A dot substring and within the parameter 5. After that system.out.println the substring out of 10 leaving first 5 character, leaving after first 5 character. A dot substring, here 2 argument I will pass. See 5, 10. After that substring system.out.println after removing the both the spaces from, that means test. So d.trim. So trim function is used to remove the space from both the side. If any space either in left side or in right side, it will remove the space, since otherwise it will be count the number of character including space. Since in string variables a single blank space is also considered as a one character. So trim function is nothing but used to remove the spaces from left and right side, but it cannot be removed from middle of the strings. Next is system.out.println. We are checking over equality, so b dot equals e. So we are comparing along with b variable and along with e. So in this variable computer is written over a small letter, here in capital letter, so it will check. Now check over here another functions, that is to uppercase system.out.println uppercase, that means capital letter of computer equals to, so in b variable it is stored b dot to uppercase. Similarly, if you will convert some values into the lower case, suppose this one, so we'll write over here e dot to lowercase. Here I will change the message lowercase of this. Now I will close the main and class. Let's check by compiling and run both. Okay, this was my class. Go to the main. Okay, check it the substring from 5th position standing, that means from understanding it will try remove the character from 5th position. It is displaying the substring out of 10 leaving first 5 character, first 5 character will be removed. So from first 5 understanding, first 5 character will be removed, then it is remain stand. After removing the blank space from both the side of test, it is removed equality of COMPUT here and COMPUT here, but with that there we have written in capital and small letter, so that is why it is returning as a false. Uppercase of computer, this is converted into capital letter, this is converted into lower case and small letter. So all the functions we have covered up by showing the practical. Thank you for watching these videos.